Types of questions presented in vocabulary section. Vocabulary based activity. Find out the synonyms or similar meaning words of following from the passage. It means some words will be given and you will have to find out the synonyms or similar meaning words of those words from the given passage. Find out the antonyms or opposite meanings of the following from the passage. Find out nouns for following adjectives from the passage. Find present or past participles used as adjectives from the passage. Write from the passage describing words for the following words. If the nouns are given, you will have to find out the adjectives of those nouns from the passage. If the verbs are given, then you will have to find out the adverbs as the describing words of the verbs from the passage. Spot the error in the spelling and rewrite the words correctly. Classify the given words in their respective columns. Guess the meanings of following words or phrases. Match the words or phrases with their meanings. Complete the following table related to degree or parts of speech. Underline the odd man out. Find the related words of following from the passage. In grammar, this concept is called word register. For example, school. The related words can be like this: student, teacher, class, books, test, exam, assignments, etc. Find the word for the given groups of words. For example, period of 100 years, century. Garment that cover the face and head. It is called veil. Complete the following sentences using the words given in the bracket. Find the following words from the passage. Number 1. Noun forms of following words. Verb forms of following words. Adjective forms of following words. Form or make the new words by adding prefixes, suffixes, etc. Another type is form or make the new words by removing prefixes, suffixes, etc. The examples are given here. For example, make adjectives from the following words: beauty, beautiful; health, healthy. So here in these two words, suffixes are added. It means by adding suffixes, we have formed the adjectives from the given words. Another examples: kindness, kind, ability, able. In these two examples, the adjectives are formed by removing the suffixes. Next type, make nouns from given words. For example, act, actor, deep, depth. Make verbs from given words. For example, manager, manage, player, play. Make adverbs from given words. For example, fast, fastly, loud, loudly. Read following words and make meaningful sentences of your own by using them. Write down the full forms of following. For example, WHO. The full form of WHO is World Health Organization. Questions based on contextual grammar. The alphabet, parts of speech, sentence structure, vocabulary and word building, punctuation, and figures of speech and stylistic devices. Question A5 is related to personal response, creativity, imagination, expression, and general knowledge.